How to fix check charger or USB port. There's moisture or foreign material in your charging or USB port. Now, if you see this error message on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S24, S23, or your other Samsung phone, then when you see this message, what you need to do is immediately unplug. So immediately unplug your charging cable from your phone. So do not charge your phone, and then power off the device. So tap on power off, then power off the device, and gently shake the phone to remove excess moisture or water that have been gone through your charging port. So just shake it. So just shake it gentle. Don't tap it too hard. Just simply just shake and kind of tap to the water come out like that. And you can use a soft or dry cloth. So here we use a soft and dry cloth to clean the charging port area. So just wipe around like this. So give it a nice and gentle clean. Just wipe any excess moisture or water or damp. Now let the phone air dry in a cool, dry place, not under heat or sunlight, for at least 30 minutes to a few hours. So just let it air dry for a few moments, maybe half an hour, maybe 2 hours. So once it's dry, you can turn the phone back on. Now, if you do have a can of compressed air sitting around, you can try to use it to blow out the water in the USB port. So give it a few blow. After it is fully dry, you can restart your phone and check if the warning is gone. If it's still there, then try not to charge the phone until the error message is completely gone. Okay, so at the moment there's no error message. Once it's gone, you can try to charge up the phone. If it's still there, then do not charge the phone. So at the moment there's no message showing that the charging port is or has moisture in it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Now, if you need to charge your phone urgently, another way to charge it is to have the phone charge via a wireless charger. So you don't need to use the charging port. You can still charge your phone using a wireless charger device if you have got one. And that's it. Thank you for watching.